Hello mga B! O meron ka na bang partnership ads monetization tools pero hindi mo alam kung para saan ito? O kung meron ka ng partnership ads monetization tools, makinig ka. So this is how it works mga B. Para to dun sa mga product endorser or yung meron kang i-review na product or services. They will gonna contact you and you will gonna agree with them and you're gonna sign some documents for agreement and contracts. And then they will gonna invite you to be their endorser. Lalabas yon doon sa inyong partnership ads. At kung magpo-promote kayo ng mga products, they will gonna send you their products and you're gonna make a video or content out of it. And if they will gonna give you also some portfolios and anything that you required to make a video. And then you're gonna post it to your social medias or on your Facebook account. Mag-upload ka na ng videos, you have to invite them as their collaborator. And then they're gonna approve it and then makikita nyo lalabas na ang inyong mga videos as sponsored videos like ads in some of the videos that going on social media. Okay, thanks for watching.